Nail polish is a cosmetic lacquer applied to fingernails and toenails to enhance their appearance. It is available in a wide array of colors, finishes, and formulations, including matte, glossy, metallic, and glitter. In addition to adding color, nail polish can strengthen and protect nails from damage. The basic components of nail polish include a film-forming agent, like nitrocellulose, resins, plasticizers, and pigments or dyes for color. Some nail polishes also contain additives for quick drying or to enhance shine and durability. Nail polish is typically applied in multiple layers, starting with a base coat to protect the nail and enhance adhesion, followed by one or more layers of color, and finished with a top coat to seal and protect the polish from chipping. The most traditional form of nail polish. It comes in a liquid form and is applied with a brush. It typically dries within a few minutes and can last for a few days before chipping. Best for everyday use, quick and easy application. 2. A long-lasting polish that requires curing under a UV or LED lamp. It provides a high-gloss finish and can last up to 2 weeks without chipping. Best for long-lasting wear, professional-looking manicures. Description: often used with acrylic powder to create artificial nail extensions. It is durable and can be shaped and molded to desired lengths and shapes. Best for nail extensions, durable and strong nails. 4. Breathable nail polish allows water and air to pass through, which can be healthier for the nails. It's often chosen by those who want to maintain nail health or for religious reasons. Best for health-conscious users, individuals requiring water-permeable polish. Provides a flat, non-shiny finish. It can be applied on its own or over other nail polishes to create a matte effect. Best for trendy, modern looks with a sophisticated finish. Contains glitter particles suspended in clear or colored polish. It adds sparkle and can be used alone or as a top layer. Best for festive occasions, adding sparkle and shine. 7. Metallic nail polish has a shiny, reflective finish that mimics metals like gold, silver, or chrome. It's bold and eye-catching. Best for statement-making nails, evening wear. 8. Holographic nail polish contains special pigments that create a rainbow effect when exposed to light. The holographic finish is multidimensional and changes with light angles. Best for unique, eye-catching designs, nail art enthusiasts. 9. Peel-off nail polish. Designed for temporary wear, this polish can be peeled off without the need for nail polish remover. It's convenient for short-term use. Best for temporary use, quick removal without remover. 10. Thermal nail polish changes color based on temperature variations. It creates a gradient or ombre effect as the nails warm up or cool down. Best for fun, interactive nail looks that change with temperature.